Digital negotiation is increasingly becoming a norm. It is increasingly a must-have, not a nice-to-have. It is a place for everyone to collaborate internally and externally. Contracts are a lifeblood of many businesses, and digital negotiations driven by CLM is rapidly becoming an expectation in today's forward-looking organization and among forward-looking legal leaders, because it gives them tools to not just increase speed but also have an increasing value on their business and better tools to manage risks. So why not start using it today? Data drives contracts in a digital environment. Contracts are increasingly as much about process as they are about data. What is your data strategy that is relevant in the context of your business? Is this strategy personalized and customized to your business? This is where a good CLM can help. You can learn from the past and have a much brighter contractual future in your company. You can also build cross-reference tables and various visual displays to create and manage KPIs that are relevant to your business. You can have intelligent conversations about your contract, not hypothetical ones. Data analytics can trigger granular dive into what you have and where you would like to be. You measure what you have, and then you can decide how you can improve it. That is how modern general counsel and legal leaders have an impact on their companies. You can do it blindly without a data, but it is so much satisfying to know where you've been before and where you're going and how you measure it. The functionality built into collaboration keeps everything in one location. A well-built collaboration interface allows you to record, first of all, relevant information. It also provides with a version control to avoid confusion among internal stakeholders and external stakeholders. And then, of course, the faster approvals will make sure that your deals close faster in a way that makes sense in the context of your business. It streamlines future negotiations. It most definitely improves relationship internally and externally, and it allows you to have an auditable trail in case somebody has questions in the future. Collaboration with counterparties is not just a convenience, which it is. It is not just a good record, which it is. It is also a risk management tool that allows you to build a business on a solid foundation. Counterparties can easily access the same interface and the same document. They can also sign it in the same system. It is a huge deal if your CLM provider can give you an ability to collaborate with your counterparties. It really does help to make the process much more efficient and much more satisfying. And it's simple. You create a proposed document, you share it with counterparty, you give them credentials to access an appropriate version of that document. They make edits in the system keeps track, you get their feedback and you respond. You iterate on this process until you're ready to sign. No mystery, no confusion, no versions to reconcile. It's simple, enjoyable, and most importantly, builds valuable business relationship in the process. A credible CLM uses services that follow best practices. For example, that encrypt data at rest and in transition. It also allows for firewalls necessary to protect your data. The work product, and most importantly, the record, stays in one place. This way, the chances of it falling into the wrong hand are much smaller. Then the user can configure the system to support her workflows. The automation, the personalization that is possible allow us to have a CLM that makes sense in a context of your business. This flexibility helps manage transparency and cycle times, and most importantly, build relationships on which your entire business can rely. A modern cloud is built on security that enables flexibility. Credible CLM uses servers that follow best practices. Those servers encrypt data at rest and in transit, and builds firewalls necessary to protect the business. You will have a much greater impact using digital negotiation on your organization.